Okay, so how many of you can sit on your couch, watch yourself fishing on the big screen TV, and then fish outside of your window and actually catch a fish? How many? Well, watch me, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna sit here, I'm gonna watch myself catch fish. I got an air conditioner and a cool hatch that I just hang out the window, or out the hatch. Got my fishing rod baited up. Bait of the day is soft taco shells, and we just wait. In the meantime, I can watch myself catch big catfish. Oh, there it goes. Got a bite. Oh yeah, there he is. Pop up out of the hatch. Tighten down the drag. Here we go. He's pulling. Gotta be careful on this light line so he doesn't break it. He could rub it on the bottom of the boat, bust it on a barnacle. Doesn't seem like he's too awful big. Putting up a pretty good fight. Maybe there's two of them on there, huh? Channel cat. Not a bad little channel. Caught him fishing, watching TV. Get him up. Nice dinner. Oh, still. Good eater size channel cat. I'd say about 3 pounds. What's that? Magic word? Contact. No. Contact. Oh. Yeah. So I'll watch some more TV. Got my pole up here on top of the hatch. Set the drag real loose. More soft tacos out there. And we wait. We wait in style. LOL. There it goes. Pop up out of the hatch. fighting hard. Whoa, look at him bend that rod. This is a nice little ultralight, featherlight rod. And remember, if you like what you see, you can support this struggling channel. First thing you can do, you can comment down below. Tell me what you think of the video. You can subscribe. And we also have a new feature. It's called the applause button. It's located next to the share button under your viewer. All you gotta do is spank that applause button. Gives you 4 choices to support this struggling channel. And we don't struggle that hard, but we sure could use your help. Anyway, it gives you an option to donate $2 up to $50. And we'll put your name down in the comment section and tell how much money that you donated. It's a good thing. Let's see what we got here. Looks like another channel cat. Another channel cat. It's a lot smaller than the last one that we caught. We'll give him a flying lesson, same way we do all the other ones. We don't discriminate on this boat. Good pair of pliers. Got a grip. And you ask them the magic question. What's the magic phrase? What's that? Contact! Contact! Boom, 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 boom. It's time to fly. One of these days, one of them's gonna fly. Ah! Contact! Bye, fishy. I'll watch some more TV. Got my pole up here on top of the hatch. Set the drag real loose. More soft tacos out there. And we wait. We wait in style. LOL. I think it's getting a bite. Just a light little nibble. Let's set the hook. Oh yeah, he's on there, he's on there. Let's pop up out of the hatch and see what we got. He's on there. Just tighten that drag. There he comes. Number 3. Woo. Dive. Remember Hawkman's dive. Flash. Dive. Oh, there that music went. Yeah, he's not very big. Just a little bullhead. That's alright, we'll give him a flying lesson just like all the other ones got. We don't discriminate here on Cindy May. We're going to come out the cockpit. And we'll make this the last one of the day. Alright, you. What's the magic word? Contact! No. Bye-bye, fishy.